Today we have to implement experiment number 14, which is basically related to analyze the performance of small signal common drain JFET amplifier. Previously we have done the common source amplifier which was self bias. Now today we have to do implement the common drain configuration of JFET. So as you can see in the figure that the drain is common with respect to source and gate because it is directly connected to VDD. The VDD is set to 24 volt in this case. R1 is 1.8 mega ohms, R2 is 470 kilo ohms, RS the source resistance which is connected with the source is 1.5 kilo ohms. C in and C out are selected to be 1 microfarad. RS, which is basically the internal resistance of the source, is taken to be 50 ohms. You can ignore this value, but you can also include the value of RS. The value of RL, the load resistance, taken to be 3 kilo ohms. So the VP in this case is equal to minus 4 volt. IDSS is taken to be 20 milliampere, ID is 5 milliamperes. So when you find the value of GM using the value of IDSS, ID and VP, its value is 5 into 10 raised to the power minus 3 Siemens. The internal resistance of the AC resistance of drain terminal is 100 kilo ohms. So the gain is calculated with the formula, this one. This is the input stage resistance of the JFET amplifier. RD is the internal resistance of gate, RS is source resistance, RL is load, GM is transconductance. Transconductance can be found using the formula 2 IDSS, ID over IDSS divided by VP. So in this case, we have taken the value of IDSS to be 20 milliampere, ID is 5 milliampere and VP is minus 4 volt. So when you put these values, you will find the value of GM to be 5 into 10 raised to the power minus 3 Siemens using this formula of transconductance. So what you have to do is you will change the value of VS, you will measure the value of VL using oscilloscope, and then you will calculate the gain, which is equal to basically VL divided by VS. So you will compare the value of gain with the calculated one. These are the measured values and this is the calculated value. Then you have to find the percentage error. Also you can note from this formula that the value of gain in case of common drain amplifier will be less than or equal to 1. In ideal case it will be equal to 1, otherwise it will be less than 1. So in case of the common drain configuration with having the voltage gain almost equal to 1, it can be used as a buffer because it has very high input resistance and low output resistance. So it can be used as a buffer in circuits. Also, the common drain configuration is called the source follower. As the voltage gain is equal to 1, so the output follows the source voltage value. So this configuration is called the source follower, as in the case of emitter follower, where the output follows the emitter voltage, here it follows the source voltage. So output is almost equal to input voltage. So you have to implement this circuit on multisim, and you will find the value of VL using oscilloscope, and then you will find the gain, and you will compare this calculated value with the measured ones. So this is for the experiment number 14.